How to download and install Foxhole on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Foxhole on PC or laptop. So in order to download and install Foxhole on PC or laptop, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to access or install Steam on your device. Only through Steam you'll be able to access the game. So type in steampower.com and that's going to take you to the official page. And here, go ahead and press the install Steam button. In my case, I happen to already install it. I'm just going to show you the procedure. So press the install Steam button and then exe file is going to load up right over here. You have to press on it and locate the file location and then double click on it and run the installation program. When you're done installing the following application, then go ahead and create your account. If you already have an account, then you can log in, and when you're logged in, go to store from the home page itself. While you're on the home page, then you could go ahead and tap on the search box and type the game that you're looking for, that is Foxhole. When you locate the game, then press on it and it's going to take you to the info section. Here you could go ahead and read all of these information and see the trailer and all that. And likewise, to proceed on, go ahead and press on the link or press on the option that says add to cart. And when you do that, go ahead and check out, then it's going to direct you to the checkout procedure. So click on view my cart and add it to your cart. Begin with the checkout procedure by adding the payment method and all that, and you'll have successfully downloaded and installed the Foxhole on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.